Hello everyone, today we're going to have a new lesson and that is all about multiplication by 6. But before anything else, allow me to invite you first to subscribe to our YouTube channel, Matinik at ang Musikero. This is your host, Danilo M. Guzman Jr. and willing to serve and teach you with our YouTube channel. First, when dealing with the multiplication by 6, all you have to do as the first move is to master the tens digit sequence. And they are from the left hand to the right hand. For the left hand, we have 0, 1, 1, 2, 3. And for the right hand, we have 3, 4, 4, 5, 6. First, we have the number 0 as the tens digit of the first finger. We have 1 as the tens digit of the second finger. And also another 1 for the third finger. And 2 for the fourth finger as the tens digit. 3 for the fifth finger. Proceeding to the right hand, we have another 3 for the sixth finger as the tens digit. We have also 4 for the seventh finger and 4 for the eighth finger, 5 for the ninth finger, and also 6 for the 10th finger. I repeat, when dealing with the tens digit sequence, each finger has its own number when it comes to the tens digit. So we start first with 0, 1, 1, 2, 3 for the left hand and 3, 4, 4, 5, 6 for the right hand. After then, we also have the ones digit sequence for both left and right hand. We have 62840 for the left and 62840 for the right hand. So that for the first finger, we have the ones digit 6. And then we have 2 and 8 for the second finger and the third finger. And then we have 4 and 0 for the fourth finger and the fifth finger. And then we have 6 and 2 for the sixth finger and the seventh finger. And then 8 and 4 for the eighth finger and ninth finger for ones digit. And then finally, for the 10th finger, we have the number 0 as its ones digit. For example number 1, what is then the value of 6 times 3? 6 times 3. How do we solve for it? As the first step, we have to show first 3 fingers. As we have already prepared the 3 fingers, we may now start the counting process and the solution. For the first finger, which is actually the thumb of the left hand, we have 0. For the second finger, its tens digit is actually 1. For the third finger, we have the sequence 1. Proceeding to the ones digit sequence, we have 6 as the first finger. And then we have 2 for the second finger. And then we have 8 for the third finger as its ones digit. Trying to observe the third finger, there we can see the number of 18. And that only shows that 3 times 6 or 6 times 3 equals 18. How about trying to have 6 times 4? What is then the product of 6 times 4? How do we solve for it? We start first with the 0 as the 10th digit of the first finger. 1 and 1 for the second and third finger. So we have 2 as the fourth finger. Now let us start with the ones digit. At first, we have the number 6 as the ones digit of the first finger. Then we have 2 as the second finger. Then we have 8 as the third finger. And then we have 4 as the ones digit of the fourth finger. If we will try to observe the fourth finger, there we can see the form number 24. And that only shows that 6 times 4 is equal to 24. And then for the third example, we have 6 times 7. What is then the product of 6 and 7? In order to do that, we have to prepare 7 fingers and we need to show these 7 fingers. And now that we already have the 7 fingers, we can now start the solution process or the counting process. For the left hand, we have the following sequence of numbers starting from 0, then 1, 1, 2, 3. These are all the 10th digit that we can see from the first finger up to the 5th finger of the left hand. And then for the right hand, we have this sequence. For the 6th finger, we have 3. And for the 7th finger, we have the number 4. For the ones digit, we have 6 for the first finger and 2 for the second finger. We have 8 and 4 for the third and fourth finger. And then we have 0 and 6 for the fifth and the sixth finger. And then finally for the seventh finger, we have the number 2 as its ones digit. If we will try to observe the 7th finger, there we can see the number of 42. And that only shows that 6 times 7 is equal to 42. And in addition to our lesson for today, we actually have the multiplication table by 6. Let me enumerate them. First, we have 6 times 1 equals 6. 6 times 2 equals 12. 6 times 3 equals 18. 6 times 4 equals 24. 6 times 5 equals 30. 6 times 6, 36. 6 times 7 equals 42. 6 times 8 equals 48. 6 times 9 equals 54. And 6 times 10 equals 60. Please do not forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel, Matinik at ang Musikero. And that's all for today. Thank you very much and God bless us all.